Hi, kumusta? Niabot gid sa punto nga unaware mi sa kondisyon nga tinuod sa rented car. Mao ni nahitabo.
Ito.
Jesus me. Nani buto.
Buto. Ang tire.
Buto.
My nephew is renting this car for us for 2 days. Don't know if there is an agreement between him and the car rental company. Kung naaman, akong gi-expect na gibasa na. On the other hand, kung moabot ang hitabo ng samaan, unsa man atong buhaton, what are we supposed to do? Now, our first reaction should be for our own safety and the safety of all the passengers. Then, inspect the car to determine the cause of the breakdown. If you have insurance, call your insurance company and call the rental car company to determine liability and the best course of action. Maayo na lang kay doon na may kauban nga mekaniko nga maoy nag-inspect sa maong sakyanan ug iyang nakita nga nibuto ang hose. Nakapalit gyud og bag-o nga hose nga maoy gipuli din hing dapita. Og nga mao na ilang gipaspasan og ayo og sa pagtaod sa bag-o nga hose. Puli sa nibuto nga hose. In our situation, it is good to know that the mechanic is traveling with us, so we don't have any problem on fixing the problem. The problem is busted hose, and then replace the old one with a new one. Tips on how to stay safe if your car breaks down. Number 1, move the car to the side of the road if possible. Number 2, turn on your hazard lights to warn other drivers. Number 3, exit the vehicle only if it's necessary. Number 4, once you're in a safe location, call for assistance. O gibubuan og tubig. Kung pananglit wala gyud maayo ang sakyanan, you may need to find another means of transportation. Kung pananglit mahitabo ni og gabi unya diha sa area nga unfamiliar ta, unsa atong buhaton? If it happens at night or in an unsafe or unfamiliar area, call for help. Kanya, kung gikinahanglan na ito ang sakyanan, you may call a tow truck if necessary in a safe situation. Karon gitabunan na nila ang atubangan sa mga sakyanan. Ug ila kining gi-screw. Now that the car is ready, we are also ready to go. We are dedicating this safe travel to God, who is faithful, protecting us and caring for us, that we are able to reach our destination, providing us what we need, food and shelter. Happy traveling! We'll see you in the next video.